We're seeing a fascinating split right out of the gate this Tuesday. Extreme fear is gripping the market at 25 out of 100, yet equities are pushing higher across the board. What's driving this contradiction tells us everything about where money is flowing today. The Fed funds rate sits at 3.63%, barely budged from yesterday's 3.62. That stability is giving traders a bit of breathing room, and inflation data showed CPI cooling to 332.568 in early June. These macro conditions are creating the backdrop for what's shaping up as a selective rally with real teeth to it. Right out of the gate, the S&P 500 is up 28.81 points, good for a 0.38% gain at 7572.40. The Nasdaq is the clear early leader this morning, jumping 162.22 points or 0.62%. The Dow Jones is keeping pace with a 150.37 point pop, up 0.29% to 52,658. Even the Russell 2000 small caps are in on the action, up 0.39%. This tells us the rally has legs and isn't just concentrated in mega caps. But here's where it gets really interesting. PayPal is the single biggest mover we've seen in the first 30 minutes, absolutely exploding higher by 17.2%. That's a massive opening gap that's captured the entire financial world's attention right now. Beyond PayPal, Apple is crushing it with a 4.01% jump, and Google is up 3.17%. Meta is also contributing to the tech momentum with a 3.07% opening gain. These gains suggest investors are rotating into quality large-cap names despite that extreme fear reading. On the flip side, Intel is taking a real beating, down 4.43%. AMD is even worse, dropping 3.46% as chip sector weakness persists. Johnson & Johnson fell 2.69%, suggesting some profit-taking in healthcare after recent rallies. The semiconductor sell-off here is notable given the AI overhang that keeps hanging over these names. Analyst consensus on the mega-cap tech names remains overwhelmingly bullish. Microsoft has 63 analysts calling it a buy with 0 sells. Amazon has 70 buys. Nvidia has 64 buys against just 1 sell. This wall of bullish ratings is clearly supporting today's opening momentum in the largest names. Watch for any further